Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm so excited you are here right now to learn and to earn. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to claim free cryptocurrency using this site that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if this interests you, watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any update I'm going to be dropping. Before we get started, I have some gifts for you. I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, there is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and you'll see the white or red subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another update in this channel. Now click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to mine free crypto, all tasks done. Once you do this, I'm going to know that yes, you've performed this task. Then I'm going to send the 7 premium courses to you for free. And the last thing to do is to click on the share button and share to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. I have placed the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. Alright, this is the interface of the website we are going to be using today. So to register here, you can either enter your Bitcoin address or you enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you enter your password. You verify the captcha here, you click on I am human, then you click on sign up. As you can see right now, the miner has started mining automatically as you sign up on this site. So you can come back after 16 hours to still activate the miner to continue mining. So this is how you can mine BTC for free on this site. So to earn more, you scroll down, you're going to see lucky number. So let me explain how this lucky number works. So you are going to be clicking on a button below here. If your lucky number falls between 0 to 9885, you'll be getting 0.0000007 BTC. But the lucky number falls between 9886 to 9985, you'll be getting 0.0000069 BTC. But the lucky number falls between 9986 to 9993, you'll be getting a payout of 0.000000691 BTC. But the lucky number falls between 9994 to 9997, you'll be getting a payout of 0.000006910 BTC. But the lucky number falls between 9998 to 9999, you'll be getting a payout of 0.000069099 BTC. But the lucky number falls on 10,000, exactly 10,000, you'll be getting 0.00690989 BTC. So I have already claimed a lucky number here, that's why I cannot claim now again. But after 29 minutes I can come back. So if you claim anytime, you can come back after 1 minute to still claim a lucky number and earn some BTC on this site. You can claim this lucky number rewards 24 times in a day. So you just set your timer to come back and still claim your lucky number rewards to accumulate some BTC to add up to this BTC mining here in order for you to withdraw. So let me show you another way you can earn BTC on this site. Click on this 3/, then you click on refer. You can earn generous commission from us by referring users to freebitco.in. We pay referral commission according to the table below. So this is the referral commission rates in BTC. In free BTC, you'll be getting 50% of base price. In multiply BTC/betting, you'll be getting 0.40% of Wega/bet. In earn BTC, you'll be getting 25% of base daily interest. In token sales, you'll be getting 50% of trade fee. We also give you 1 free lottery ticket and 1 reward point for every free BTC row your referral plays. So this is your referral link here. You can copy it. Once you copy it, you share. But if you have a website, for those that have a website, this is banner. You copy it and add it to your code of your website. The banner is going to appear there like an advert. So once you refer, you can come here and see the number of people you have referred, and you see the total number of people you've referred and the amount you've made for referring those people. Then here you're going to be seeing the commissions you'll be getting for those people performing tasks on this site. So you click on this 3/ again. As you can see right here, there are many ways in which you can earn, but we are only going to talk about the referral and the lucky number. You can earn also by using the multiply BTC, the betting, the reward, the win a Lambo, earn BTC, the contest, the premium, lottery, D-play, club riches, LYN expert. Okay, that's all you can earn on this site. So let's click on the FAQ to see some frequently asked questions. So when will I get paid if I have auto withdraw enabled? So you can enable auto withdraw on this site. So when you reach the minimum, you can just withdraw automatically without you placing a withdrawal. So if you have an auto withdraw enabled in your account balance will go into pending on Sunday. So if it is more than the minimum withdrawal amount, and you will be able to see this under pending payouts on the free BTC page. The Bitcoin will be sent to your Bitcoin wallet soon after. You will receive an email notifying you of the payment if you have an email address associated with your account. So if you wish to know the exact time when your balance will go into pending, click on the button that says withdraw in the free BTC page, then you click on auto, and you will see a timer countdown to the payout time. So you will click on that payout, you click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you will see the minutes that your payout is going to come to your account. How do I enable auto withdraw? By clicking on the button that says withdraw in the free BTC page, then you click on auto and checking the box next to auto withdraw. If you enable auto withdraw after the countdown timer has run out for the current payout cycle, you will receive your next payment the next week. So let's practicalize this. Let's activate auto withdrawal. The reason why this auto withdrawal is very good is even when you forgot to withdraw, as far as you have the minimum withdrawal amount, you can be sent to your account directly without you placing a withdrawal. So click on this 3/ and click on free BTC. So now click on withdraw. On this withdraw, you can see auto. You click on this auto withdraw. They are going to show you this alone only if you use an email address to register. Like me, I use an email address to register. But for those that use their Bitcoin address to register, you don't have any problem with changing a Bitcoin withdrawal address. This is the address they gave me here, but I'm going to change it to my personal address so that the auto withdrawal will send it directly to my address. But I advise you to register with your Bitcoin address from the beginning so you don't have to go through this process. So once you register with your Bitcoin address, you can just activate the auto withdrawal without going through this process. So that is how you can withdraw your Bitcoin from this site when you've mined enough BTC on this site. So don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever we drop another update in this channel. So don't forget to claim your gift also in the comment section. See you all in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.